Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate orange tray bake. For the cake you will need 300 grams of self-raising flour, 300 grams of caster sugar, 300 grams of margarine or butter, 5 eggs, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 oranges. To start with, to your caster sugar, add your margarine or butter and cream together until well combined. Then add your eggs and the zest of the 2 oranges. And then juice one of the oranges, and you want to add 3 tablespoons of orange juice. Give this a good mix. Then add your self-raising flour and your cocoa powder and mix until you have a really nice batter. Then pre-prepare a baking tin. Mine was 33 centimetres by 23 centimetres and it was 6 centimetres deep. And just grease the bottom and then line it with baking paper. And then add your batter, making sure it's as level as you can get it. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 40 to 45 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Then for the topping you will need 200 grams of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of orange juice and you want some sprinkles for the top. So simply add your orange juice to your icing sugar and give it a really good mix until it's all well combined. Then you want to spread this over the top of the cake. It is easy to spread it to the top of the cake when the cake is warm but not hot, so it'll be warm enough that it keeps the icing like runnier, but it won't be too runny that it'll seep through the cake. So it should be warm but not too warm, so basically kind of like the temperature that you could touch it with your hand without it getting burned. And then just sprinkle your sprinkles over the top. And there you have it. That's how you make a chocolate orange tray bake.